Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your stack denomination from chips to big blinds so that you can read how many chips you have in your stack a little bit easier on Pokerstars on the mobile app. So this is the exact same whether it's on Android or iPhone. In this case I'm using iPhone, but go over to the Pokerstars app. From there I'll just show you right here. I'm playing for play money, and just to show you what your stack would look like, you can see in the bottom left it says Andy Goals. That's my account, 20,000 chips. So what if you wanted to actually view this as how many big blinds you actually have overall in your stack? So we can go out of here, leave game, and then go over to the right hand side to the account button, press in there, and then scroll down to settings. From there you want to go down to the poker section, click in there, and this gives you so many different options of how to edit the table appearance and auto rebuy and mucking hands and card animations. You should go in here and have a little look and see what's completely available to you. The second option down, stack in big blinds, is currently switched off. It's currently toggled off, so if you toggle it on, that will activate the stack in big blind denominations. Go back to poker. I'm going to buy into another table just to show you what it looks like. And as you can see in the bottom left, it's changed to 100 big blinds instead of 20,000 chips, which is a little bit easier to understand. So anyway guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks.